my channel. Today I have a special guest. This is baby R. Yeah, he is fussing a little, so I had to carry him. I am here in this video is because I want to do a quick review of the recent item that Colourpop has released, and that is the Best in Brows kit. So in this kit you have a variety of things that come with it. So there's like a gel, then you have like two pencils, two different shades, you know, of eyeliner pen, and also we have the eyebrow gel tube. I don't know, it's quite similar to the one that MAC has, but MAC has this gel, you know, brow set thing which is colored. So I was previously using the brown one. Kit, I was really stoked when I saw that they had this new kit coming in, because I was running out of my, you know, usual eyebrow product, which is the MAC gel liner in laying low, and I just kind of like, you know, brush through my eyebrows and then put a bit of the gel liner on and then use a spoolie to smooth everything out, you know. So I was really excited to try out this kit because it came with so many things in that kit, and it wasn't that expensive. It was only $20. So that's kind of how much I would pay if I were to buy a, you know, eyebrow gel like this from MAC. So I was using this, I ran out of it, and this is MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof Pro set, and this is BROWS set, sorry, and this is Brown Ebony, and this is a very good color match for my eyebrow hair. So I've not really worn this out much to say how well it kind of lasts throughout the day, but most of the time gel liners for me, you know, whenever I do my eyebrows, they don't last more than 8 hours because I have very oily T-zone. So by the end of the day I get all greasy, you know, so it does kind of wear out. So I'm not really having high hopes. However, I do like the colors that come with this kit. So what I ordered from this kit was the black brown kit. So the gel liner is black brown. So it looks like this. So as you can see, initially when my first impression when I opened the kit, I was like, okay, this is not going to work because this is too light. But when I wore it on, it blended beautifully. As you can see, you know, it looks very natural on my skin tone, and it matches my hair color as well. And it comes with two different color shades of this precision brow pencil. So the first one is black and brown, and the other one is ash brown. So I don't know why they have included two. I'm assuming that one is to underline your eyebrow and the other one is to fill in. For me, I don't have the luxury of time to do so much on my eyebrows, really, to spend that time to line and then to fill in. You know, I'm the kind of a person who just uses one product, and as long as it works, I'm good. However, I would certainly do this, you know, step-by-step routine if I had more time, or if I'm going to, you know, really dress up and go out. Yes, I would use it. I would follow the steps. In this kit, it also comes with the Colourpop brow setting gel. This is just a clear gel, and I like it because it sets everything. I have some stray hair sticking out, and it really helps with setting the eyebrows in place. So I'm really pretty impressed with the kit. I just can't wait to wear more of it and let you guys know what I think. Alright, quick review. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what you got to do. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't. And follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Bye. Say bye-bye.